Hello and welcome to AD Productions. To begin our fall uploading season, we are flashing back to the years of 2016 and 2017 on the Bessemer and Lake Erie Railroad. In the following video, we will see plenty of Illinois Central SD70s. All of the units featured in this video are now off of the Bessemer property. Our first train would be a southbound light power move as we see it in Girard, Pennsylvania and Albion, Pennsylvania as it returns to Greenville after switching out EMSCO plastics in Girard. The date is Wednesday, April 5th, 2017. Moving 8 track miles to the south, we are in the A section of the Bessemer's old Albion Yard located in Cranesville, Pennsylvania, a borough of Albion. Now let's watch as this train joins the main line and heads south for Greenville, as this will be our final look of the pair of IC Death Stars. Flashing back to July 26, 2016, we are at the same spot in Cranesville, Pennsylvania, with a trio of Illinois Central SD70s approaching us. On this July afternoon, iron ore was being hauled from Conneaut to North Bessemer, Pennsylvania, with an interchange with the Union Railroad. Now let's watch as this trio passes our cameras, coming to a stop at RX for a track warrant, less than a mile to the south. Leapfrogging ahead of the train, we are now at the Route 18 crossing on the south end of Albion. Moving 6 miles to the south, we are now in the small town of Springboro, Pennsylvania, at the Beaver Street crossing. Now let's watch as this train speeds by our cameras, running at track speed, which is 35 miles per hour on the Bessemer sub. Moving south 3 more miles, we see the train one final time in Conneauville, Pennsylvania. Many things in this chase no longer are possible. The first is a solid set of Illinois Central SD70s, leading an iron ore train, as only 2 remain on the property. In addition, solid sets of Bessemer hoppers, such as this, are now history, as Canadian National hoppers are mixed into all the hopper sets. As always, we thank you for watching AD Productions, and we hope you enjoyed this flashback to years past on the Bessemer. Happy rail fanning and train chasing.